What is up, Minitruck? Yeah, I never checked the alignment, but I know it's towed out. So I got this I've used for years. Easy to set up and do all that. So you got to get it up against the tire. Is it on a tire over there? Like flat? Not on a groove? Not on a knobby?
Alright, you're on a tire, perfect.
Wow, it's 12:30 seconds out. This has to be like,
wow,
like that.
So we got to loosen up the bar and just try to do that one wheel?
Nah, they're probably equally towed out. You would think it would be towed in more, because as it goes up, it actually pulls in. Oh, maybe because the bar goes out too. So it's the geometry is not too bad.
When you let go of the wheel, does it turn?
Now it's straight, but it's definitely off. It's easy to do. I put them at 0 anyway.
I got it. They take it back, and she's in those down here and all over the place. Yeah.
You're supposed to put like two layers of stuff with grease so it finds a center, so the tire's not holding it, but usually. I went too far, believe it? Yeah, I went too far because it's 0 in the front, which means it's way off in the back. I got to do about half that. Alright, that's good? How about that one?
Good.
Is it?
Yep.
Oh, that's dead on.
Oh.
That's dead on right now.
Oh.
Huh, I'm locking it where it is. So the axle in the back must be a little bit wider. But that's pretty much right on.
Now there's a new name for terror. Cujo.
Should still be on 0. Yep, still right on 0. Good. Oh, you look happy. You want to go for a ride. Let's go for a ride, girl. For the people that thought I was parked in handicap, see the line? Jeez, I got a lot of slack for that. Hey, well, she's happy today. You see?
What's that thing?
That's Minnie.
That's you?
Minnie.
Oh, Mini. Winch and everything on it, huh?
Yeah, it's got a CB in it. I put that steel bumper on the front.
Carl needs something like that because he has to carry hay out.
On the farms, that's what they use them for.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a little 3-cylinder motor. They make a dump bed too. That's the one I'm trying to get now.
It's all-wheel drive?
All-wheel drive, and this has the lockers in the rear, so you can lock the rear. And all this comes down too. You could put them all.
there, but they don't have enough room to put a couple of bales.
No, that's why I had one of those.
Yeah.
But this you could flip all the sides and take them off if you want. And they start about $4,000. The guys in Jersey only takes like an hour and 15, hour and 20 minutes to get there. This is a 91.
Oh,
You could buy the newer ones, but
Yeah.
they're not allowed on the road. They're like golf carts, you know, they kind of govern them and everything. But these you could put on the road if they're 25 years old or older.
Call them antiques, huh?
Classics, yeah. I wouldn't take it on the highway
No.
because it just doesn't have it. It weighs 1,500 pounds, so it's like a UTV.
Kind of light.
Yeah, and you wouldn't want to get hit in the front. There's nothing there. They're fun, though. I know, you're ready to go. That's what I like about you, Minitruck. You're always happy. It's a Hijet Minitruck.
It's fucking awesome. This road, you can drive it on the road.
They put on as a classic.
That's really.
Yeah. Yeah, they sell them right in Jersey, northern Jersey. It's like an hour and a half to get there, hour and 20 minutes.
Check it out.
Yeah, check it out. It does 55. That's about it. I mean, it'll boogie down the back roads, you know.
So awesome.
Sit in if you want. Every side flips down if you want. So if you want to work, you know.
Dead ass.
They are cool as hell.
How much you paid for it?
I paid $45 for this because it's got the lockers. It's got everything. Yeah.
That's cheaper than a fucking side-by-side.
They have Subarus.
Stuff?
Oh yeah, they got some of them have air conditioning. I didn't get the air conditioning one.
I looked at a side-by-side. But he may see
The amount of trucks he's had without air conditioning, I think
Yeah.
But he's got Suzuki's, Hondas, all of them, all JDM import stuff.
Wow, this thing's been.
Oh, it takes super gas.
Well, I've been putting super. It only has 10 gallons though.
Yeah. Holy shit, we gotta get one. Send her to work and she's fine. Fuck that, she can drive the truck.
What's your YouTube channel, man?
It's Moto Cheese. See?
Oh, I think I've seen some of your videos.
Yeah,
I think I've seen.
motorcycle stuff probably, right?
That's sweet.
Yeah, 7 gallons.
Wow. You know, I drive this thing to work every day. The guy's fucking cool. I gotta get one. Shit, we're going to Jersey tomorrow.
Alright, let's go.
See if you fit in there, sit in there. It's not that tight. It looks tight. It's just getting your feet in there, you know. Other than that, it's not that bad.
Not bad, yeah.
You, where do you go wheeling?
Beacon.
Oh, do you go there? Yeah.
I'm with the Jeep Club.
Yeah, we're from there.
Oh.
We're all the way over there.
This thing over, dude. We go up every Friday from like 5
I want to.
Yeah, if you ever want to come over, you know.
Yeah, definitely.
Because we go up with the Jeep Club. The Jeep Club will fucking dig you.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that'd be cool.
Yeah.
Definitely, man. It's like 55. You can cruise about 55. A 5-speed will do about 65. It's Moto Cheese. So I bought this from Jersey and then I've been doing the build on it, you know. They start at like $4 grand.
That's all this thing goes for?
Everybody likes Minitruck. Minitruck. Happy St. Patty's Day. You look good, Minitruck. Oh, you're looking cute with your mini skirt.
I'm calling you.
Huh?
What the hell are you doing?
Nothing.
What the? You done lost your mind.
Minitruck celebrating St. Patty's Day.
Smells like a brewery in here.
Oh, what are you talking about?